Hi, I'm going to show you how to record your Google Meet, present your screen, and upload a video to your Google Classroom. All right, so to record your Google Meet, you'll go over here to these three dots over here, the More Options button, and just simply click Record Meeting. It's asking for your consent, so you will accept it. And now it's red, and now you're recording, and you should hear a little bloom when it's happening. Now to present your screen, you simply go right here to where it says Present Now. It gives you three options: a Google tab, a Chrome tab, a window, or your entire screen. We're going to use a Chrome tab, and we're going to go to YouTube. I'm going to go to right here to this YouTube video I have up. I'm going to add a skip count to my Google Classroom. So just go right here to where it says Share and get the link, copy the link. All right. And then you're going to go to your Google Classroom. This is what your students will see, but you'll go over here to Classwork, Create, go to where it says Material. I'm going to just put Jack Hartman. To add it, you go to Add, click on the link. Paste the link in this box, add link, and there you go, the Jack Hartman video. Now, we're not going to post it, we're just going to save the draft. And it's right here, Jack Hartman skip count. Now, you can go back to the meeting and stop presenting so your students can see you. Or you can see your students actually. And if you want to start recording, you go over here, back here to this More Options, Stop Recording, and this automatically saves to your Google Drive. And voila, you're done. I hope you find this video helpful. And that's that.